Imagine that the vast, intricate structure of our universe, the way matter is spread out in immense cosmic webs, was shaped not by some massive force, but by incredibly faint magnetic fields, barely stronger than a household fridge magnet. This might sound unbelievable, but recent research suggests exactly that. And here's where it gets controversial. These super weak magnetic fields, almost imperceptible, could have been the architects of the universe's grand design. On the largest scales, the universe appears mostly uniform, but when scrutinized more closely, it reveals a stunning cellular or web-like pattern. Our entire Milky Way galaxy is just a tiny part of this colossal cosmic network. Scientists have long pondered how such a complex, large-scale structure formed, especially given that the early universe was initially small and nearly uniform. A groundbreaking study, led by researchers from the International School for Advanced Studies, CISA, in Trieste, working alongside teams from Hertfordshire, Cambridge, Nottingham, Stanford and Potsdam universities, has brought a fresh perspective to this mystery. Through an enormous effort involving around 250,000 computer simulations, they explored the role of primordial magnetic fields. They found that these magnetic fields might have been staggeringly weak, only about 0.2 nanogauss, which is roughly the strength of magnetic fields that cause a fridge magnet to cling to your door. At first glance, it seems impossible that such minuscule forces could shape structures on cosmic scales. But when these simulated results were compared with actual astronomical observations of galaxy superclusters and cosmic filaments, the similarities were remarkable. Scientists emphasize that if these magnetic fields were any stronger, the universe's structure would look different. Denser filaments, and galaxies and stars that evolved faster and more massively. This suggests that the subtle magnetic fields had just the right influence to guide the formation of the universe as we see it today. However, to leave no stone unturned, the researchers recommend new observational studies using the cutting-edge James Webb Space Telescope to further validate these intriguing findings. This discovery opens up a fascinating debate. Could something so seemingly insignificant as an ultra-weak magnetic field be responsible for the grand architecture of everything around us? And if future observations disprove this, what alternative forces could explain the universe's structure? This study was reported by phys.org and is backed by the expertise of a PhD in technical sciences from Kharkiv National University of Civil Engineering and Architecture, an experienced science communicator who has focused on astronomy and space for years. He has contributed extensively to popularizing science in Ukraine and internationally, emphasizing respect for the scientists and engineers who make such discoveries possible. What do you think? Could these nearly invisible magnetic fields really have sculpted the cosmos? Or is this theory an intriguing but ultimately flawed idea? Share your thoughts and join the conversation.